Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extra baggage on Kuwait Airways. So without any delay, let's get started. First, go to the Kuwait Airways official website. Click on Manage. Then select Modify or Update. Now enter your last name along with your booking reference number or e-ticket number and then click Retrieve Booking. This will take you to the page where you can edit your booking. Here you will have the option to add extra baggage. Keep in mind that adding extra baggage will come with an additional cost. That's it guys, that's how you can add extra baggage to your booking on Kuwait Airways. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.